All right, welcome back, everybody. It's a nice foggy day here in Minnesota. Whee! We've got all of the Canadian fires causing such a haze down here. We got all the smoke. But today's project, we're going to do a ball joint on the F150. That thing needs to get done. So let's get into my shed and start working on it. Bam! Oh. So yeah, gotta do the ball joints. I gotta get to the upper control arms and the struts, which I've got all those parts. Just don't know when I'm gonna get it all done. Man, it is hazy out here. I don't know if you can tell. My camera's picking it up, but I was driving home and come down on the other side of the valley. I couldn't even see across it. But man, I still got to clean up in here. I've got my workbench is full. So, all right, I gotta get to my jack. Get a jack stand out there, and we'll get my truck lifted up and start taking things apart. How do I get that out of there?
Magic.
All right, everybody, look at the difference. New shock compared to old. Super rusty on that old one, huh? Need to take a can of spray paint in here someday and clean that all up. We'll get that changed. I'm dipping on the ball joint for tonight. The ball joint's just not gonna happen. I'm running out of time before the sun goes down. So I'm gonna get the new strut and the new sway bar link in here, and I'm gonna eat dinner. Here we go. Keep them off me for a while.
Hopefully.
Welcome back, everyone. It is a new day. I am reorganized. I'm going to do the passenger side ball joint and strut and sway bar link. Maybe the upper control arm.
We'll see
how bad it is. The other one wasn't that bad, so I left it. But I've got both new ones, so we'll see. Or I'll just save it for some other time. I feel like I'm bored and want to tear into it. Because you got to take the strut out anyway to get to that. And we just organized my tools. We threw everything in the shed because
It was dark
got
at the end of the
dark.
day last time. Nice and organized to start out. We'll see how it looks by the end.
I think the hardest part is taking off that knuckle. So when you go to put it back on, the little adapter for the air actuating four-wheel drive, it doesn't stay on there. So you gotta like maneuver 8 things to try and get it on there right. That's a pain in the butt. But you once you get it, then you're golden.
It's a good feeling when it pops in there and everything's
Yeah.
good.
I put new grease in there. The other side was all gunky and like, you know, I mean, it's, geez, going on 20 years now. It's a 2008. I mean, we got 13 years there that hasn't been re-lubed. So when I click out of four-wheel drive, it takes it a good minute or so before it actually like lets go. And I'm not sure if it's just that's just how it is, or if it was because it was not greased well. A little bit of both. So we'll see how that changes things. All right, I'm gonna tear into it. Well, we lived in Texas. This sort of came off 15 minutes ago. Fuck. That should not be that tight. Look how much rust is on there. Ready for the fucking Olympic rowing team over here. Ow.
Got it.
Holy fuck. I'll rip the top of the threads off. And she'll go back on, but it might be worth trying to see if I can get this out.
Yeah. Who needs a rowing machine?
Spectrum.
Hey, come fix my stuff.
Well, this side looks a lot better greasy wise than the other side did.
Cool.
That's not good.
Does it come with new ones?
Yeah,
Well, that's good. You just gotta get it off.
just gotta get it off. Fucking vice grips, I tell ya. Most likely.
Vice Grips, if you're watching, sponsor. Well, I'll take them from the top.
You can't,
Oh, not on this one.
with only the back one.
Oh.
I don't know if it's tight enough either. No, I don't think so. Oh yeah, that's just... Today might be the day we go buy a torch.
Uh-oh.
That's not fucking good. I can't get enough force on that. Fuck! Now it's all sorts of jacked up.
Do you have to pull the strut off to do the ball joint?
No.
Well, I'm just thinking maybe we do the ball joint, then we return the tool, and if you, after all that, like before we leave to return the tool, if you can't get that off, then we know we need to.
Okay.
That's my
Sounds good.
line of thinking.
Sounds good. I don't like that. Pickle fork.
Did you bring that out?
Yeah, it's in my bag.
Okay.
I should have left the upper one. I think I might put it back up so it's more vertical, so it's not fighting against itself. Yeah. Very slight, like just a, but yeah, she's looser than,
The other one.
yeah. Got it.
Oh man.
Let's take a break and go to the store.
You go to the store?
Yep.
For what?
Return the tool.
Oh yeah.
It was just not stripped enough, like it was in between.
I guess you should probably make sure you can get all three out before we do anything.
Yeah. Okay. Wasn't that bad. They weren't terrible.
Not gonna hurt to replace them though.
Exactly. I think we want anything else.
Snacky.
Let's go. Okay. I think we're in business, babe.
Cool.
I was worried over nothing.
Usually.
Oh, yeah.
See, that wasn't that bad.
Nope. of spray paint before I go grab the new one. All right. Got a new strut, new upper control arm, put the ball joint in, new sway bar links, gave her some black paint, cover up the rust. I mean, it's not a perfect job, but you know, it looks a little bit better, so why not? Just got to put the rotor and caliper back on, put the air line on for the four-wheel drive, and we're good to go. And looks so nice. I'm so impressed with how everything looks. Didn't have any real issues. And I took this all apart. I re-greased everything inside of it. It was pretty gunky and chunky, just terrible. Like, I think I picked a couple rocks out of there too. But all right, so yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll keep you updated on what's next.